Today, I'm going to show you how to make challah bread. Challah bread is a sweet egg bread and a symbol of life in the Jewish tradition. This recipe comes to us from a collection of articles and recipes from the Tricycle Book Publishing House, and it's called Wake Up and Cook: Kitchen Buddhism in Words and Recipes. And it was edited by Carol Tonkinson. It's a lovely little book of wisdom and yummy, delicious, nutritious recipes. So if you're ready to make some challah along with me, well then let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to combine 1 cup of flour with the sugar, salt, and yeast in a large bowl. We have 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1 1/2. And 1 package of dry yeast, or 1/4 ounce. 1/4 ounce in my kitchen is 7 grams. So we're just going to give this a quick whisk, mix the dry ingredients together, and next we're going to mix in the butter. We have 1/2 cup of softened butter. 1/2 cup is 1 stick of butter. Here we go. And boom. Oh, great. I know better than to do that. I got flour all over the place. Mix in the butter. A pinch of powdered saffron. I couldn't find powdered saffron in my grocery store, so I bought the little strands. And I chopped them up real fine and I put it in some warm water. So we've dissolved the saffron in warm water, and we're going to add a little at a time to the flour mixture. And what it does is it makes this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful golden color. We used 1 cup of warm water. I have to admit, as a baker, I like a certain amount of precision. I used the AI to look up what is warm water for dissolving saffron. And the AI says 160 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit will give us this beautiful golden color. And sure enough, look at the golden yellow. And then it says just to beat for 2 minutes at medium speed with an electric mixer. So we're going to add the 3 eggs plus 1 egg white and another 1/2 cup of flour. Yeah, it looks like about a 1/2 cup. Here we go. Heat on high for another 2 minutes. We're going to slow it down so we get all the flour a little bit wet. And then we'll crank it. And now we're just going to add additional flour till it starts to form up consistency of a nice soft silky dough. I'm going to add another 1.5 cups of this beautiful all-purpose flour. We're going to work it in. There comes a point when you're making bread dough that the best tool that you have is your hands. Look at this beautiful dough. Oh my goodness. And so, now that the dough has more than doubled, we're going to punch down and divide into 6 equal pieces. Oh, 198. That's pretty close. And now what we want to do is to roll each piece into a rectangle and then roll the rectangle into a cylinder. Continue to roll until you get 12-inch ropes. We want to roll out 3 lovely 12-inch long rectangles. And this beautiful, flexible, silky dough is very springy. So we just need to encourage it to keep heading out in the direction that we want it to go. Just like that. I think that's a nice rectangle. That looks like about 12 inches. Now what we want to do is we're going to roll this up just like this. We'll just press the seam together just a little bit. And then when we proof again, it'll all come together. So here we go. 1, 2, and 3. 3 beautiful strands. Let's pinch together this top part here and fold it under, just like that. And so here we go, slowly and gently. Left over the middle, and give them a little stretch. Left over the middle, and the right over the new middle. Now the left, and the right, and the left, and the right, and the left, and the right, and the left. Pinch, pinch, pinch at the bottom. Pinch, 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 and just fold it under. Fold it under. Could have gotten the top a little tighter, perhaps. One extra strand. That's perfect. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Fold, fold, fold. Gently, gently onto the baking sheet. And I think we'll let this proof for another additional, half hour, maybe even an hour. We'll see what happens. So we have 2 of these. First one's ready to go in the oven. But first, we want to put the egg wash. So here we have our 1 reserved egg yolk and a teaspoon of water. Get us a little egg wash going. Just like that. There we go. So pretty. Little egg wash. And a wee bit of poppy seed. So, there it is. Now it's time to go into the oven. Well, my friends, here we have it. My first ever attempt at making beautiful, beautiful challah. Buttery, eggy, wonderful bread. I would say it's a real triumph. I can't wait to tear into this bread. I think the only way to do it... Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh. Golden, fluffy, delicious. Begging for a big chunk of butter, just like that. I think we've done it. My first attempt at challah. I do hope you try to make this one at home. I think you're going to really enjoy it. This is a real family bread here. Friends and family. It's a real celebration. If you'll do me a really big favor and click that thumbs up like button, please, and also subscribe to my channel, because that helps us to produce more yummy videos for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yum.